It's Thursday and I have a busy day ahead of me. I just dropped off Jess at the airport and she's on her way back to Panama. And now I have to take a shower and get ready, go to a Disney photo shoot today at 2:30. So that's what this is gonna be about today. Hopefully I can take you guys in with me so you guys can see what's going on at the photo shoot. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen, but we will find out. First things first, shower. Okay, I gotta go. But funny story is, those curtains right there, we spent like 30 minutes trying to figure out how to put the blackout shades on. And we decided that they didn't exist. So this was here, and we didn't know that behind this is the blackout curtain. So what we did was we jerry-rigged these two together with a hair tie. It was pretty ridiculous, but it worked. I just wish we would have known that these existed. Checkout is at 12. It is now 11:57. I gotta go. Oh, nice. Someone left their little baggie of weed here. Nice. At the damn club, we gon' wake your neighbors. That Starbucks is so cool. They had a normal inside area and then they had this outside patio. It's sick. Alright, so I just got done with the photo shoot. It was a Alamo photo shoot. But they didn't use me, so don't expect to see me in any Alamo print or commercial print or anything like that. But it was fun, had a good time, met some cool people, and now I'm going back to Palm Coast to hang out with the family. That was a good day. Alright, now it's time to go back to Palm Coast and relax. It's been a crazy weekend. Alright, I'm back in Palm Coast. Now, I'm just gonna chill and relax. It's Cinco de Mayo. Might do something tonight, but I'm not really sure. We'll see. Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up, huh? This thing's dangerous. Helicopter. Mid-house. Are you gonna land it on the fan?
Should I?
Yeah, land it on the fan. Oh, shit!
I don't know if I can. You should see the cat with it yesterday.
Oh, there it goes. And it's dead. It's Cinco de Mayo, so of course we got the quesadillas going on. Got some grilled onions, some black beans. Quesadillas look bomb. Got some guacamole. Bam. That's what you get.